Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a Windows XP install on a hard drive on a 2009 MacBook. Things are going to get interesting. Let's get right into it. Now, before we do that, we're going to need something called tools. We're also going to need that thing called the hard drive. Gently. Oh, that was a close one. Be gentle now. Be gentle. Gentle. Careful. Careful. Come on. So close, so close. Got it. Oh, man. Gentle. Be gentle. Got it. It's in. It's in. Stay in. Everything is perfect. We shall now begin with the quarter. Get this crap battery out of here. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do with this. Whoa. Well, now it's going. Okay. Alright. We got the screws. They're back. Huh. Screws. Well, that took about a year. Let's go ahead and take that out. What am I supposed to do with this? Get out of here. Okay. I think it should be somewhere in here. Heck is that? Oh, I know. Yay! Who are you? I said, who are you? Well, start talking. Oh yeah, SSDs don't talk. Okay, well, we gotta unscrew these. Hee. These are fun, and I might be using the wrong screwdriver too. So that's always great. No, I am! Well, 44 screwdriver tests later, and I think I've got the right one now. Yay, I do! It's coming out. Can you see it? It's coming. Sorry, SSD, you don't get to live here anymore. Ha ha. Ha. This is gonna take me a year. Not even joking. A year. Great! Where'd that go? Awesome. I have to go find that? Go in! No! Come on. Just come out the right way. Oh my gosh, I might kill this SSD and the bracket thingy because it's driving me crazy. Let's get this. Oh! I am not properly equipped to handle a screwdriver. No! No! Good thing this isn't a Phillips head screwdriver, otherwise I might be bleeding right now. So, SSD, yeah. I'm replacing you with something worse for today. But don't worry, you get to go back in after, today, I guess. Okay, so, yeah. Hey, Screws, guess what? I found your brother. Well, got all the screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Hey, I've got them all in. Now let's put this thing in. Sweet! It went in. And, yeah, now I have to put in the thing that I threw. Oh, that's great. That's awesome. Well, got the screwing done. I feel like I'm missing something, though. Alright, the battery. Gotta put that in. Let's go ahead and screw this up. Yes! Thank you, Quarter. Yes. So, I've burnt the disk, and I've put it into the computer, and now we must turn the machine on. and then press Option. And then we wait. Come on, computer. Oh man, I'm gonna have to wait a year. Yay! Windows finally showed up. Yay! And now I gotta press Enter. This looks good. Not on the camera, but it looks good. So we've got Windows. Well, I already know that this is gonna take a year, so yeah. Why don't we not wait for that? Guys, this has literally taken 7 minutes. This is taking forever. Yes! Setup is starting Windows! Oh no. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but... Yes. I haven't failed. Oh, sweet! We've arrived! And it even knows what I called it. I called it Windows XP! Let's press install. I don't want to do this, but I guess I have to. Enter. To format the drive. I'm telling you, you gotta press F. I understand, sir. And now this is gonna take another 10 minutes, so yeah. Wait, maybe not. It looks like it's possible. It looks like it might be possible. Alright, I'm gonna give it like a couple seconds. Oh, that went pleasantly fast, and now we're on to this screen, which is probably gonna be a lot slower because it is on a hard drive, and we can kind of see that it is. It's not going that fast. Not compared to the SSD, at least. I guess I gotta come back when this is done. It's happening. We're almost there. Come on. It's done. Woohoo! Yee! Woohoo! And now it went and did that. So yeah. Come on. Find something. Find something. Find something. Find something, please. Should I be worried? I don't know what's going on here. The disk is spinning up. Okay, what's going on? Okay. Press any key to boot from CD. I'm just gonna let it do what it would do if someone was on the toilet. So, yeah. Microsoft Windows XP. We're not quite there yet. It's gotta go through its setup. Oh my gosh, look how big this cursor is. You probably can't notice how big it is because of the camera, but it's pretty big. Yeah. Ooh, are these drivers? I think so. We've got an exciting new look. Yay. 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 What? 39 minutes? I already know it's not going to take that long. Windows XP never takes that long. Well, yeah. Type my name, and organization? Why does it think I have an organization? Alright, my name would have to be Pie Maker for for $29. And next, Pinch Soft. YT did. What is that? Pinch? Password? What are you talking about, password? Why is cap lock on? What? Oh yeah, because of that. Next. I don't even care what the time is. Windows XP. Well, it seems to have finished what it wants to do. I think it's looking for its files right now. But not to worry. I know not to get worried because this happened before, this white thingy. So I know that I don't have to be worried about this screen right here. But it is taking a very long time. I think it's ready. Well, it wants to do something. Okay. Now it went up there. Okay. Alright. We've even got the little bubble guy thingy. And the next button. It's down there. I must press it. Automatic updates, I don't think those matter anymore. But I'm still going to. Next. I said next. Oh, my name? You already asked me that, and I told you what my name was. I told you my name is Pie Maker for $29. Ooh, we have a thank you. And a button. Finish. Finish. Welcome to you too. Oh my gosh, this is the longest welcome screen ever. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nah, I don't want to welcome. This looks good. That screen looks good, but yeah, that doesn't. What? We have successfully installed Windows XP in 2019. So I don't know why I did that, but I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my computer. Control panel. What am I doing? Appearance and themes, I assume is where it would be. Change the screen resolution. Yes, bring me more resolution. Well, here's a trash can. And let's see if we've got internet. I hope so. Can it, just ask me if I want to turn on internet? Close all tabs. Internet. I think it's in here somewhere. Network. Internet connection. Add one. No. Okay. Connect to the internet. Internet service providers. This is confusing. Internet service providers. Setup. I don't even care. Network cards. Cables, modems, I don't care. This computer connects directly to the internet. Do you understand me? Fine. I guess we can't connect to the internet. What is that? Alright, whatever. Well, just had to do a basic installation of Windows XP. That's all I was doing. But on the hard drive, I wonder... Alright, let's open a program. Let's choose a program. Let's choose... Windows Media Player. Everything seems to run fine on the hard drive. No, I'm not committed to that. Nope. So, I don't know why they just decide to put the recycle bin, like, in the middle of the screen. I think that's a little weird. But, yeah. It's installed. So, thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to make this quick, fun little video for getting Windows XP on my MacBook with the hard drive. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and just let me know that you've done that in the comments, and you can get a shout out. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.